So n8n just released something very interesting. Uh, it's called like AI agent tool node. So what is it? But before, so basically it's allow you to create the workflow with the multi-agent architecture or the architecture that have like agent, the main agent as the orchestrator and some like tool agent that do the specific work before. So before like have a quick look on like the new tool node AI agent tool, let have a quick look on what is like multi-agent architecture. So think about it as like a team of AI agent that working together. So instead of having one single agent that like big and do everything, so you have like multi-agents that each agent have their own responsibility and their own capability. So some agent can taking care of like creating image, another agent that taking care of generating the text content. Someone else can have different capabilities and do something else. So like to demonstrate the multi-agent architectures, I created a like interesting like workflow. So basically it will create a book, right, from the user chat request. So it will create the book that look like this. Yeah, so with the like cover image and then the contents, formatted content. So like please, it's not a bad format, but like yeah, so basically there will be a book in PDF with the cover and the like content based on the request. So in my workflow, so there will be first like the agent here that will generate a brief book brief from the user chat message, and then it's pass along the brief output, like including the book brief, the cover design brief, and the writing brief. So it will pass along to the book writer agent. So this book writer agent here, it play around as the orchestrator. So it will take the input and then like assign the task to the agents based on its responsibility. So I have two like tool agents. One is designer agent that will generate a prompt, will be later on fit into the DALL-E to model to create a cover image, and another tool agent is like the content writer. So it will generate a markdown from the like based on the brief from the book brief agents. So let's have a quick look on this one. So we can see that for the user message, so we put like the book brief and everything, including the writing brief and also the cover brief, and then we asked this agent, orchestrator agent, to send the information to the tool agents, and then like summarize everything and then return the output as the book cover prompt and then book content markdown. So the interesting thing about the tool agent is that like we only need to describe the agents. So for example, with the design agent, we describe it's like the designer agent, and the responsibility to generate a prompt to create a book cover, and then like we have the option here to define the prompt automatically by the model. So which means that the orchestrator agent will like send the user message here, like the prompt for this tool agent here will be defined by the like orchestrator, the book writer agent. We don't need to manually define the prompt like what we have to do with the normal agent, because it's tool agent. So it will be triggered by the orchestrator, by the main agents. So the main agent will generate a prompt and then send to the tool agents. So we only need to write a good description for the agents, tone agent here. Similarly, we have like this one, right? The content writer agent. So we write a very clear description for the tone agent, so it's know what it should do. And also like here for the content writer agents, it also receives the prompt from the model, which means that the orchestrator agent will send the like the prompt request to this agent, so we don't need to taking care of that. Like yeah, it's something new. So basically normally if like we don't have this, so we need to write something here, but like now we have like let the model define the parameter. So if you click here, then the n8n know that, so for this tonation the prompt request will be sent from the orchestrator agents down to the tonations. And then next is very simple, like we take the prompt from the agent here and generate the image, upload it to S3, and then like generating the PDF file, and then like upload it to Google Drive like this. So let's run the agent step by step, so we better understand about the workflow. Okay, so let's say write a book about safe the education safety instruction in education environment. So it is a very like source request from a user, and if we trigger the send, so the book brief agent will take into account this one, so you can see that, and then it generate the book brief, the cover design brief, and then the writing brief. So and then the book writer agents, the orchestrator will take the input, right, and then it's part of, so if you look at this one, you can see that like the prompt user message, actually I didn't fit anything here, but like it's the coming from the parent agent or the orchestrator. So the designer agents received the command from the orchestrator agents, so and then it generate the prompt for the DAWI. So the same, so the writer agents, we didn't define the prompt, right? We didn't define the user prompt for this agent, but like this receive the command again from the like orchestrator agents, and then to write the like the book, right? So and then the orchestrator agents finally gather the output from the designer agents, and then from the content writer agent to generate the requested output. We say like book cover prompt and the book content markdown. So and then this DAWI model here will generate the image and upload to AWS S3, then upload a file to Drive, and then convert it to PDF. So that's it. We have so you can see that we have one document and one PDF file. So this is our book. So we have the cover image, and then we have the book content. So it's just quite a quick lab version. So the image doesn't look as good as its expect, and then also there are a lot of format issue, but like basically it a very good demonstration to allow us understanding about the multi-agent architectures in the n8n workflow. So the most important thing is that like right now we have the agents that can trigger another tune agents, and then the prompt for this tune agent can be decided like by the orchestrator agent or the main the parent agent. So we only need to define the like good description for agents, like what is it and how it should work, and then provide giving the tune agent the proper model. So let's say we have like OpenAI here, but like it's also Gemini or other LLM model. We can better fit for like specific scenario. So with the multi-agent architecture like this, like you can split the requirements. So for example, if you have the very big requirement, before that, without this architecture, you need to have a very big agent that do everything, right? But like now with the multi-agent architecture, you can like split the request into the smaller requests, and then fit the smaller request to dedicated agents, so that this tune agent can take care of the smaller request, and then the orchestrator will summarize the output and get all the outputs from the tune agent, and then giving us the expected output. So I think it's a very interesting node in the n8n workflow. So before that, we can have some way to build a multi-agent architecture, but like with the n8n introducing the new like AI agent tool nodes, it much more easier. And yeah, so I'm going to submit this workflow, and then like hopefully it can be available in the market for free, of course, in the next couple of days. So thank you very much. Have a good day.